90 spirit, 100 spirit.
Why didn't I tell you, Star? Last night I was begging Joy to come over. And she told me that her spirit tell her not to come. And I was so disappointed.
Jamaican woman and them spirit. Man, them spirit be telling them everything.
Trust me, that woman have some strong spirit. She would never do anything before asking her spirit first.
Spirit, huh? When was the last time you gave her money?
Well, it's 3 weeks ago. It's 2 weeks now since I don't work.
I figured that.
What are you trying to say? What money got to do with it?
What money got to do with it? What money got to do with it? So what do you think? You think she's just gonna come out and tell her that she's not gonna give you any sex because you didn't give her any money last week? No. That's going to make her look like a gold digger. She's not gonna say that.
Gold digger.
So tell me something. You ever give her money and her spirit tell her not to take it? Ever? 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 Ever, ever, ever?
Come to think of it, nope.
Money, oh. So, Chef, tell me, what is the name of the Jamaican woman's spirit? You don't know?
Money, oh.
Well, I'm not gonna tell you, sir, but I do have some spirit in my pocket right now. Let me see how many spirits I got in my pocket. Wow. Got quite a bit of spirit in here. 20 spirit, 40 spirit, 60 spirit, 80 spirit, 90 spirit, 100 spirit. Wow. That was. Right now, I got about 120 Jamaican woman spirit in my pocket. Right now.
About 120 Jamaican woman spirit.
Chef, you need some spirit in your pocket, sir? Yeah, get some more spirit in your pocket and see how joy over your house every night. Get some spirit, boss. Money, oh. At least one time in my life, I would love to meet a Jamaican woman. Stretch my hand out, give her some money. And she look at me and say, Uncle Howie, I'm not gonna take your money. My spirit tell me not to take your money. Keep your money dread.
Money, oh.